Hi there, I'm David Davidian, and I'm excited to walk you through the features of your new Marygrove awning. Your awning is designed to enhance your outdoor living space with comfort and convenience. This video will serve as a quick refresher on everything your installer covered, so feel free to come back anytime if you need a reference. Let's get started. Your awning operates with this remote. Here's how it works. Press up to retract, dash to stop at any point, and down to extend. No need to hold the buttons. One press will do the job. The last button controls your LED lights. One click turns them on, the second makes them brighter, and the third turns them off. If your remote stops working, check the battery. Ensure the awning is plugged in, and if the motor overheats, give it time to cool down. Your awning includes a built-in wind sensor. This white box attached to your valance bar. It automatically retracts in steady winds of about 20 miles an hour. However, it does not detect sudden gusts. If it is a windy day, we recommend retracting your awning just to be safe. The sensor runs on two AAA batteries. To replace them, slide the sensor to the left. Look for the arrow over the screw. Pull up on the black tab, replace the batteries, and slide it back into place. Listen for the beep as you slide it back on. Your valance. We recommend removing your valance for the winter time and reinstalling it for the spring. Of course, if you live in a climate where you use your outdoor space all year round, you don't need to remove your valance at all. To remove it, unscrew the lower Phillips head screws on both end caps. Pivot the cap upward and take the white fabric locks out of the valance. Slide the valance out of the track. Roll it up and store it in the included valance bag. Pivot the cap down into place and secure the cap in place with the Phillips head screws. To reattach, simply slide it back through the track and secure the screws. Your awning's pitch or tilt can be adjusted for water runoff or to change the angle to block the sun. To adjust, insert your hand crank into the loop on the arms and rotate it. We recommend adjusting while the awning is halfway extended for ease of use. Each side can be adjusted independently. If you ever lose power while your awning is extended, you can manually retract it using the black loop and your hand crank. Just make sure to unplug your awning first, or you could damage the motor. If your awning includes a front screen, use your hand crank to lower it. It extends about 4.5 feet. When raising it, stop just before the center support bracket to prevent misalignment. To keep your awning in great condition, apply WD-40 to lubricate the shoulder, elbow, and wrist joints. For fabric cleaning, use dish soap, a soft brush, and a garden hose. Never power wash the fabric. It can strip its protective coating. Your installer provided a customer care kit, which includes spare batteries, a valance storage bag, and an awning care guide, and details on the Marygrove Mint program. If you ever need support, we are just a call, text, or email away. Thank you again for choosing Marygrove Awning. We hope you enjoy your new outdoor oasis.
Marygrove Awnings. Life outside.